Here I'm talking on instead plucking of flowers, how we can use tubs and be more sensitive. Welcome in the energy mechanism in Mahashivasthita. Flowers, one of the beautiful creation of nature. Flowers denotes beauty with its different shades, colors, smell and freshness in it. Flower is a part of nature. So I'm going to share what mostly all of us didn't notice even. How plucking flowers makes us insensitive. Why should not we pluck flowers? We consider flowers as good, vibrant and beautiful colors sharing its nature with us. Now, let's understand how plucking flowers making us insensitive. To decorate, we prefer flowers. To gift someone, we prefer flowers. In any rituals, in any kind of functions, wedding, ceremonies, anniversary, in any good occasion, we use flowers to enhance the beauty. But in that case, we are killing them, we are plucking them from where they have come. That is not right. That is not beauty. This is not beauty, what I believe. Beauty is something that you are giving the care and you nurture the thing with its whole system. Being human and to reach in this developed society, we fought a lot to get the freedom. Many people died. Many people lost many things. They lost their lands, their people, everything. In our history, mankind developed by its fate, created by their karma and will be destroyed by its karma, like in human act. Humans are blessed with senses and most powerful accessory is mind. But we sometimes don't really think for others. We just want to beautify our own imaginations. We only beautify on our thinkings, our house, our clothes, our food, our lifestyle, our everything. But we are decorating something. In that case, we are killing someone, we are plucking them, we are snatching them from somewhere else, from their own part of the body, and we are decorating our whole house, accessorize them. Do you think this is good? Humans are blessed with senses and most powerful accessory, as I said, is mind. But we sometimes don't think and really don't feel for others even. We goes blind and we just go through for our own wishes, own thinking, only about self and self. To decorate, we prefer flowers. Beautiful flowers. Many of us love flower. But how much love do we feel for it? If we love something, we should let them grow. We should let them live. We should let them be as they want to be.